Let's take a look at this question. What is sound? Sound is energy you can hear. If you have movement, you must have energy. But if that movement can be heard, then you've got sound energy. When something moves back and forth, it creates a vibration. When vibrations carry sound, they're called sound waves. There are many different devices that help us hear sound waves. So today we're going to use our ears and a special device to see if we can hear some very tiny sounds. So help me out. See if you can answer this. What is sound?